Hello everyone, today we are seeing global and local variables. Let's see. Global variables. Global variables is C programming are a fundamental concept related to variable, scope and lifetime. They are a powerful feature but come with consideration for good programming practice. What is global variable? A global variable is a variable declared outside of any functions, typically at the top of the program file before main or any other functions that will use it. Key characteristics of global variable. Scope. The scope of global variable is the entire program. This means it can be accessed, read and modified by any functions within the same program file if declared with the external keywords it other files. It can even be accessed across multiple source files that are linked together. Lifetime. Global variables exist throughout the entire execution of the program. They are created when the program starts and are destroyed only when the program terminates. Memory allocation. Global variables are typically stored in the data segments or BSS segments of uninitialized of the program memory. This is distinct for the stack where local variables are stored and the heap for dynamically allocated memory. Default initialization. If you don't explicit initialize a global variable, it is automatically initialized to 0 or null for pointers. This is a crucial difference from local variables which holds garbage value if not initialized. Accessibility. Any functions in the program can directly access and modify a global variable. Why use carefully? Global variables make debugging and maintenance harder, can be accidentally changed anywhere in the program, makes functions dependent on outside variable, less modular. In local variables, a local variables in C is a variable that is declared inside a function, block or loop and it is accessible only within that specific function or block. It is created when the block is entered and destroyed when the block is existed. Features and descriptions. Feature. Lifetime existence only during the function's execution. Declaration place inside a function or block. Example if, while. Default value, garbage value undefined is not initialized. Storage class, auto by default, usually not written explicitly. Scope, local to the block of functions. This is the example of local variables and there is a code of local variable. There see important points. Local variables are created when a function is called and called destroyed when the function ends, cannot be accessed outside the function where they are declared. If not initialized, they may contain garbage value. Thank you.